Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to do a second fix. I've actually done the first fix a couple of days back. So it's been all plastered all around the house. It's ready for the second fix. So I've actually just come in now. I'm just going to show you around what we're going to do today. This is the kitchen, and there's a socket here. We've got the double socket. There's a cooker outlet, cooker feed socket's going to go here, and also there's another double socket there, another double socket over there, and there's going to be a socket over there, double one for the washing machine and the dryer. So there's another feed for the boiler. If you see my previous video, kitchen first fix, you'll see that this wall was all back to bare brick. So that one over there is going to be the feed for the extractor. So anyway, while I was here, I did the ring downstairs. So there's a socket there, another one over there. It's all been passed around now, ready for the second fix. There's also, I added a light just underneath the staircase. So this is a switch for it, and the light connections on the top. And in this room, we've got a double socket over there and one on that corner. So that's only two. There's about 4 sockets in 2 rooms, and there's about another 4 or 5 sockets inside the kitchen. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sockets. So all in all, about 12 sockets to do. Well, so once I've done this, I'm gonna get the consumer unit changed over today. So I'm gonna get rid of this one, and over here I'm gonna put a back plate, and hopefully put a new consumer unit, which will go on here to live. Just picked that up from a local wholesaler. I'm going to tidy all the wire up. I've got the bonding for the gas and the water, which I'm going to connect into the consumer unit. So first thing I'm going to do today is concentrate on the consumer unit before it gets dark. I can get this socket in even with my portable lights, but I want to get the consumer unit in. But before I do this, I've got to take the fuse out, because there's no isolator here. I spoke to the DNO several times, and they're happy for me to take it out. And when they get a chance, if they're driving past, they said they will come and seal the fuse. So I'm going to get this done now. I'm going to take the fuse out, the cutout fuse, the main cutout fuse. But before you start commenting, guys, I have spoken to the DNO. They're happy for me to take it out. That's the only way I can isolate it, because there is no isolator on it. So this is the fuse I'll be taking out. And as I said, they've confirmed that when they get a chance, they will come and they will reseal it. Because it's a short days now, I mean the daylight is only limited. So before it gets too dark, I want to get this done and then concentrate on the sockets. Hello guys, so I've managed to put the back plate in. When I say back plate, it's the back for the consumer unit. I had to use the a piece of plywood, and I've cut it all out, made a hole behind it, fed the wires through, screwed it onto the timber frame, and it's all nice and secure. So this is the one I'm talking about here, this piece here behind this box. So it's solid, it's not going anywhere, it's nice and strong. I managed to feed all the wires through. So if you can see, it's, I've got this plastic bit on as well, so it's nice and neat. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect them all up and tidy all the wires, try and clip them onto the wall, make it as neat as possible. I say this here it's actually coming off the wall, so I think the ESP Energy will have to come out and fix this back onto the wall. But I say there's only limited daylight. By 4 o'clock it goes dark, so I need to get this done before it gets too dark. And then once I've done this, I'm going to go around, get all the sockets in, and then do all my testing and so on. So hopefully a couple of hours I should be all done then. So I've managed to finish installing the consumer unit. I've also done the second fix. I say I came here roughly about half 2, 3 o'clock, and by 4 o'clock it goes dark. So the first thing I had to do was to get the consumer unit in. I had to swap it over. I say it took me a bit of time because of the back. I had to get a piece of plywood and cut out. But anyway, I've got it all in and it's all been tested. It's all working perfectly fine. I say this is the consumer unit I've got in, and on this side I've got the new wiring, which is the cooker, and I've got the ring downstairs, kitchen ring, and also the light for the kitchen as well. And this is all upstairs on that side, which hasn't been rewired. So I've managed to keep one spare here, and that's all I can do. I mean, there's only one spare. It's an 8-way dual RCD consumer unit. So these wires here, I'm just going to put a trunk in and just tidy them up. Also, I've got the water and the gas bonding here, which is newly installed, and this is the 16mm the AF cable that comes in. So far this is a single socket, which I've put in it before, and I'll just take you into the kitchen. There's a light switch here, which is newly installed. That's gone in now. And in terms of kitchen, say second fix, there's a socket there. There's a socket, a few sockets here. There's a cooker socket, which I've got to screw that back in now. Cooker outlet. I'm having to carry my portable light because this light here in the kitchen, I have to replace this probably tomorrow or the day after. So this one here is the feed for the boiler. I say the owner was panicking about the boiler because without the heating, the plaster is not drying and it's very cold. So anyway, I've got that on. Also there's a feed on the top as well for the extractor, and there's another socket here which is going to be for the washing machine dryer. In terms of the ring downstairs, the socket there, that's gone in. There's another one over there that's gone in as well, and same again in the other room. So here, that's in as well, and there's one on that side. So I said it's going to be late. It's about 9 o'clock, and I'm just gonna pack my stuff and ready to go home. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.